Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds of Visa Wisdom with Talking Travel and Thomas Cook.
Did you guys know that there is a country which has places that don't look like they are on planet Earth? Don't believe me? Check this out. And you are just one visa and one flight away from this country. This is Ireland.
Yes, Ireland is much beyond its Irish pubs and beers. It's a lot of things you don't expect, like the Northern Lights, filming locations, historical sites older than the pyramids of Egypt, and some more mythical lands. Make a note of these visa documents that you require to head to this out-of-the-world country right now. And if you wish to get to this country faster and without much paperwork to do, then simply book your tour with Thomas Cook and let them take you to this land of magical landscape. Save this video and share with someone you'd like to visit Ireland with.